welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to enable the importation of software and test assets. To do so, you will need to be a project or team manager. Head on over to Projects, select the member of your project who needs to import an asset, click the little caret next to their name, check the applicable boxes, and click Save. And this user will need to log out and log back in. Now they'll be able to download assets from and import assets into this project. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit our help site, kb.concert.com. And as always, the relevant links are in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.